Hey everybody, welcome back to the farm. It's Tuesday. Let's come out here and see if the 5140 will start. It's about 33 degrees and we need to hay up. Let's see if she'll fire up or not. Haven't started it in, I don't know, 4 days or so. So it might start, it might not start. It hasn't let me down yet. But that ain't got nothing to say that this time won't be the first. Try to hide that sunlight. Yeah. Trying to keep the sun behind the stack. The sun is bright. Always trying to keep the hay spear. So if they happen to run into the front or let me run over, hit them, maybe I won't spear them with the spear. Today it's cool out. There's another bull over there in that pen. The sun is so bright, I don't know how much y'all can see. Another pasture to hay up, we'll bring them, just if we don't have many at the farm or the pasture where we're going. Get under there, the little ones. Something to eat. I'm try to leave the camera aiming that way so when I go to get them out, maybe y'all can see what transpires. Trying to get the loader out of the way so y'all can see. Now if I go in behind that calf like I need to, it's going to push it down the side. Let me see if I can push her out there. Alrighty. She come out not too bad. She tried to go around the other side of the tractor that she couldn't fit. I always back up and make it where it's hard for them to come around to get me on both sides. So I'll back one tire up close to the fence. So I have an escape route, but the cows don't think there's room to go through there. Like you seen her try to go to the left of the camera or the screen, but she didn't think there was enough room to fit, so she turned around and come back. Sun's in the back now. Alright, well, we got them hayed up. Let's ride by and try to take a look at a couple hay fields, if we can make it there before we run out of light, that is. You'll probably be able to see that you got water standing in a good bit of places. The dirt road's rough. There's a corn cob. Might get lucky and see some deer out this afternoon while we trying to ease around, look at some hay fields. Trying to look and see if we need to go ahead and spray a little bit of weed killer. Might do some pre-emergent for the spring. If it gets too dark on us, I'll have to pick this up tomorrow, but the video will be dropped tonight, because we get dropped videos on Tuesday and Thursday, and it's Tuesday. There goes some collards planted to your right over there, right on the right hand side of the screen. You can see them. Y'all remember back in the summer, I used my buddy Drew's baler. When I was actually helping bale for him, I baled some of my stuff with his cutter, with his baler, the RB 464. And that baby makes a tight bale now. I fed a few of them out that we baled with his baler, and it puts a tight bale. I think it does them tighter than my 8455, which it should. It's a good bit newer than my old baler. Let's turn up in here and see what we can see. This is the field y'all remember back in the summer. Over to your left of the screen, there's where he had the sunflower seeds planted. It's gonna probably get too dark before. You ain't gonna be able to see nothing on the video like I can see. Them hay bales right there is from last year. These is from early this year, a few that's left over. And I'm not riding back there because it sounds too wet and I don't want to make no ruts or nothing. This is the same hay field. If y'all remember, back in the summer we lost a tedder tooth out here and flew the drone looking for it. We never found it. Evidently we hope it's in a bale of hay and not left out there to get hit with the cutter or to get through a tractor glass or through a tire. There you go, you can see some of them collards out there better now. It's lighting it up a lot better with the sun behind the camera. Might see some deer back here too. Pretty good chance. Some weeds right there, some greens. Spray you won't hurt. Deere combine. I don't know what model that thing is. A 9750. Field right there ahead of you. There's a couple bales that's left over here. We got 4 right there. And 1 right there we need to get out of here. Some old farm equipment, sprayer. Two greenhouse, nice greenhouse there. Now straight out ahead of you, right here is starting a hayfield. The light should be shining kind of across it. That's and we've got probably about, I don't know, 20 bales or so left out there that we gotta use up. And as I'm sure y'all can hear the water sloshing, everything's wet, and you might be able to see that John Deere combine coming up right here that I mentioned a while ago. Sitting under that shed right there. Yep, there she goes. That's not my stuff, so I'm not gonna go nowhere around it. Alright, guys and gals, I appreciate y'all watching and hanging out with us and supporting us here at Gerraldfarms. Y'all have a good one.